Here is how to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Log into your account and then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. And from here, you can tap on this icon in the top right corner of your screen that is beside the share icon. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll see the profile views section. Go ahead and tap on turn on, which is highlighted in red color in the bottom of the screen. Now, this will let you see the list of the people that have viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And remember that people who have turned on their viewer history setting and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown here. They can also see that you viewed their profile. You can turn this off anytime. So in order to turn it off, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen and simply go ahead and toggle this option over here and you'll be done. And this is how you can go ahead and see who has viewed your TikTok profile. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.